The Boeing C-40 Clipper is a military version of the Boeing 737-700C airline transport. It is used by both the United States Navy and the United States Air Force. Design and development C-40 areas The C-40A Clipper provides critical logistics support to the United States Navy. Its flight deck features a flight management computer system with an integrated GPS, and is compatible with future GATM fans operating environment. It is outfitted with a traffic alert and collision avoidance system too, and is RVSM capable. It also has an enhanced ground proximity warning system, predictive wind shear, head-up display and TACANIF functions. The U.S. Navy Reserve was the first customer for the newest member of the Boeing 737-700C Next Generation family. The Clipper was ordered by the U.S. Navy to replace its fleet of aging C-9B Skytrain IIs. The C-40A is the first new logistics aircraft in 17 years to join the U.S. Navy Reserve. The Navy Reserve provides all of the Navy's medium and heavy airlift capabilities. The Clipper meets or exceeds international noise and environmental requirements, which the fleet of Naval Reserve C-9s did not. It is also more fuel efficient and offers increased range and payload capabilities. The Clipper is certified to operate in an all-passenger, all-cargo or combination configuration that can accommodate up to 3 cargo pilots and 70 passengers on the main deck. The Navy purchased the airplanes using standard commercial practices, ordering 6 of the 737-700C models. The first 2 of 4 aircraft were delivered on April 21, 2001 to Fleet Logistics Support Squadron 59 at the Naval Air Station Joint Reserve Base Fort Worth, Texas, with 2 more aircraft following before the end of the year. The 5th and 6th aircraft were delivered in August 2002 to VR-58 at the Naval Air Station Jacksonville, Florida. Further aircraft have been delivered to VR-57 at the Naval Air Station North Island, California. The Navy plans to purchase up to 23 additional Clippers as it replaces the C-9B. The C-40A provides superior fuel efficiency, range and payload. C-40 bytes The United States Air Force selected the C-40B, a military version of the 737-700 Boeing business jet, to replace the aging fleet of C-137 aircraft for U.S. combatant commanders. The Air Force awarded the medium lift contract in August 2000. The 89th Airlift Wing acquired its first C-40B aircraft in December 2002. Both units are based at Andrews Air Force Base, Maryland. The 15th Airlift Wing, Hickam AFB, Hawaii, acquired its C-40B for U.S. Pacific Command in February 2003. The 86th Airlift Wing, Ramstein AB, Germany, acquired its C-40B for U.S. Air Forces in Europe in December 2004. The cabin area is equipped with a crew rest area, distinguished visitor compartment with sleep accommodations, 2 galleys and business class seating with work tables. The C-40B is designed to be an office in the sky for senior military and government leaders. The aircraft features 2-way broadband data communications, including secure voice and data communication. Elements include internet and network access, telephones, satellites, facsimile and copy machines. The C-40B also has a computer-based passenger data system. C-40 The C-40C is not equipped with the advanced communications capability of the C-40B. Unique to the C-40C is the capability to change its configuration to accommodate from 42 to 111 passengers. The C-40C is intended to replace 3 C-22s operated by the Air National Guard and National Guard Bureau to airlift personnel. By using commercial off-the-shelf acquisition practices and a new lease program for the C-40C model, the Air Force reached a benchmark for aircraft procurement. The C-40C was the first military aircraft to be acquired in this manner. The 201st Airlift Squadron, Washington, D.C. Air National Guard, acquired 2 C-40C aircraft in October 2002. The Air Force Reserve 932D Airlift Wing, Scott AFB, Illinois acquired 3 C-40C aircraft in 2007. Variants C-40A Clipper, United States Navy version of the Boeing 737-700 for high-priority cargo and passenger transport, 14 built. C-40B, United States Air Force version of the Boeing 737-700 based Boeing business jet modified as a special mission aircraft for commanders and government officials, 4 built. C-40C, United States Air Force version of the Boeing 737-700 based Boeing business jet, operational support and transport aircraft, 6 built. Operators, United States Air Force, United States Navy. Specifications. Data from General Characteristics, Crew, 6, Capacity, Passenger Configuration, 121 passengers, Cargo Configuration, 8 pallets of cargo, Combination Configuration, 3 pallets of cargo, 70 passengers. Payload, 40,000 pounds, length, 110 feet 4 inches, wingspan, 112 feet 7 in, height, 41 feet 2 in, empty weight, 126,000 pounds, loaded weight, 134,000 pounds, max takeoff weight, 171,000 pounds, power plant, TUA, CFM International CFM 56-7 SLST turbofans, 27,300 pound forces each, performance, maximum speed, 534 knots, range, 3,000 nanometers, service ceiling, 41,000 feet, thrust weight, 0.407. See also. Related development, Boeing 737, Boeing 737 AEW and C, P-8 Poseidon, Boeing T-43, Boeing Business Jet, related lists, list of active United States military aircraft, list of military aircraft of the United States, list of military transport aircraft. References. External links, C-40A and C-40B pages on Boeing.com, U.S. Navy C-40 fact sheet, U.S. Naval History C-40A Clipper page, USAF C-40 bytes per carat fact sheet, Clippers hitting their stride despite past controversy. DefenseIndustryDaily.com, C-40 page on GlobalSecurity.com, Seaman Apprentice Joshua Valcastle. Conquistadors team up with Make-A-Wish Foundation. U.S. Navy. Retrieved September 26, 2007.